Best plants for your kitchen. Dear friends, not all plants are suited for the kitchen environment, so it's important to choose plants that can thrive in the specific conditions of this space, such as humidity, heat, and variable light. Here are some of the best types of plants to consider for your kitchen. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a hardy succulent that is perfect for kitchen spaces due to its low maintenance needs. It thrives in indirect light and only needs watering occasionally, making it a great option for busy homeowners. Additionally, aloe vera has medicinal properties, and the gel inside its leaves can be used to treat burns or cuts, something that can come in handy in a kitchen. Snake plant. The snake plant is another excellent choice for kitchens. Snake plants have air purifying abilities, as they can remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. This makes them a practical addition to kitchens where various chemicals and cooking fumes may accumulate. Herbs. Basil, rosemary, mint, and thyme. Growing herbs in the kitchen is one of the most practical ways to use plants. Basil, rosemary, mint, and thyme are some of the easiest herbs to grow indoors, and they don't require much space. These herbs thrive in well-lit areas, so placing them near a sunny windowsill is ideal. Not only will these herbs add a fresh scent to your kitchen, but they will also enhance your culinary efforts. Pothos. Pothos is a popular choice for kitchens because of its ability to thrive in low light and high humidity conditions. It's also known for its air purifying capabilities, making it an excellent option for kitchens. Pothos is a vining plant, so you can hang it from shelves or place it in a planter that allows it to trail down, adding a beautiful touch of greenery to your kitchen. Spider plant. The spider plant is another hardy option for kitchen spaces. It is known for its ability to thrive in a variety of light conditions, and it doesn't require frequent watering. Spider plants are also great air purifiers, helping to remove carbon monoxide and other toxins from the air. With its long, arching leaves, the spider plant adds a lush look to kitchen countertops, shelves, or hanging baskets. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.